Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back with another video. Today's video is going to be me unboxing some hair that I got from Amazon, in which the last hair that I ordered came from Amazon, and the vendor, excuse me, I'm out of breath for some reason. The vendor was from this vendor called FLady. I'll drop a picture on the side so that you guys can see what the hair looked like installed. And so back in November, I was looking for some hair, and I was like, I really don't have the means to spend like an arm and a leg for some hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try like another vendor, because I just, you know, I was making money, but money not long enough to go spend $300-400 on some bundles. So I'm like, okay, well, let me see what Amazon has to offer. So I found this vendor by the name of FLady or FLady, whatever you want to call it. And I ordered some straight hair from them, in which the bundle deal came like with 4 bundles in a closure for under $120. And I'm like, you know what? Amazon might be on to something. Like, they might be doing a little something. So I ordered the hair, and I have Amazon Prime, so it came in very promptly. So of course that wasn't an issue. But got the hair. The hair was really pretty. Of course I co-washed it and everything before I got it installed, and then the hair wore so beautifully. I wore it as a sew-in for about maybe 5 or 6 weeks or so, because I don't believe in keeping my sew-ins in longer than really like a month or so, give or take, because I like to, you know, get to my scalp. But I kept that hair in, and then once I took it down, the wefts and everything were still intact. I think I want to try to make a quick weave wig out of it, in which I did. So I took the hair and I actually bleached it a couple of levels, and then I added this pretty like red color to it, and I cut a bang and everything. Oh my goodness, the hair still felt like really good. Like, don't mind it now because the wig has been sitting in my wig box, but nonetheless the hair felt really good. So I was like, okay, well, since I tried out some straight hair from Amazon, I'm gonna try out some, you know, some like wavy hair or something. I went back to the FLady vendor, and they pretty much just had straight hair. So I was like, let me find somebody else. So of course I'm shopping, I'm reading all of the reviews, doing all this kind of stuff, in which I came across this other vendor by the name of VIPBeauty. Now, of course, my videos are not sponsored, so I'm purchasing all of these things with my own money, in which it comes in this really cute packaging with a little, almost like a Ziploc. Pretty cool. And I believe I ordered the like water wave texture or something like that. One moment, opening the Amazon app, of course. So this hair is the Brazilian water wave texture. It says it's a free part closure with a natural black texture, and for the 3 bundles plus the closure, it was $145 USD, US dollars, of course. This closure looks good. I'm opening the closure last. So let's see. This is the longest at 22 inches. Oh. If it off the bat, the hair feels really good, like high quality. Man, it smells like bundles. If you buy bundles, you know what bundles smell like. You expect that. But no real like fragrant or foul smell or anything like that. So this is the 22-inch bundle. Looking real 22-ish or whatever.
Looking real 22-ish or whatever. This looks really nice.
Oh, that's nice. And they gave me a little Oh, wait, cap. That kind of fit. Oh, they put like a little rubber band. I was like, why is it still up there? They put like a little rubber band up there, so it's kind of, I won't say difficult, but it's up there. This is the, wow, this hair feels really freaking good. This is the 20-inch bundle. I'm gonna put them like side by side. So 22, and this is the 20. Kind of see like the, I have on black, the differences in the length here to here. Feels good to see. Smell about what it looks. I really don't care about smell out of the package, and I'll tell you why. Because when you get these bundles, of course you're gonna wash them, you're gonna co-wash them. They're gonna probably take heat. You're gonna put product on it. So the way it smells straight off the bat doesn't really matter unless it just has like a really strong pungent smell or something like that. But this hair just smells like what I expect bundles to smell like. Again, this one feels equally as good. You can tell this hair isn't raw per se. The curls are, the waves are really like defined, which I like. I don't know, I guess you just had it. I smell it anyway. Same thing, pretty standard. Now let's see what the closure is hitting for. Oh, wow. Whoa. Whoa, this feels so good. Usually when you get closures, they feel different from, god damn, this hair is soft. They feel really different from, you know, like your bundles or whatever. But this texture, shit. Excuse my explicitism. I'm gonna have to beat myself out. Just kidding. Hopefully y'all wrong. Wow, they feel really good. As far as the pattern goes, yeah, I thought it went. It's wavy. So they say that this is the free part closure, meaning of course you can part it any way you want. I see that it came with baby hairs already out. It kind of looks pre-plucked, honestly. Almost. Something like that. But I like this because it has the band around it, which means, you know, you can sew through it or whatnot. The lace itself is pretty like transparent in a way. Excuse my nose, I need a feel. So this will be an easy install. This feels really freaking good. Really good. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning into this video. I'm going to probably record me getting the install. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, just stay tuned for more videos. If you guys like the unboxing videos, we can do it more often, which means I have to buy more shit. I don't know, but I'll be buying shit anyway. Anyway, yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. You know, be easy, be breezy, be beautiful. I love you guys. Peace.